Danke bafowethu. So Kaizer Chiefs 2 Orlando Pirates 1. So heading to this game akekho umuntu bekacabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingawina. Obviously ama fans Kaizer Chiefs bacabanga ukuthi angawina, but realistically nabo bebazi ukuthi ayi chance yabe incane. Orlando Pirates dominated first half, bekumele ngabe capitalize ngempela, yawathola amathuba, not really amathuba open, but beba dominate in terms of position azange bayisebenzisa. Going to second half ke sibonile ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibuye seyiphila ngempela, seyivukile second half. But umuntu ochange igame Kaizer Chiefs umdusha balala, umuntu bebamcriticize last week bathi uyabheda, but makangena Kaizer Chiefs ube ne-influence enkulu. Kaizer Chiefs ibe lively, iphilile ngempela, umdumo eqeda ukungena yabo. So mawubheka Yusuf Martin naye bekaphila laphana, i-captain yabi Kaizer Chiefs ishaya igoli elihle against Orlando Pirates, i-winning goal ke leyo yabo. Ulile Poka azange abe negame kahle, poor decision making, bekhona la kumele aphase kahle but azange aphase kahle. Nango uDove lo Kaizer Chiefs wale game, and I think uDove man of the match wadlala engakhona, umvalile uNkotha azange abonakala igame yonke. Really Mfukeng bekangekho at all egame, azange simbone at all, azange influence igame ayishape, azange enze lutho. Kaizer Chiefs in terms of defense beyine plan la ka Really Mfukeng noNkotha because bebazi ukuthi banama speed. Mawuthatha ukubheka uDove umvalile ngempela uNkotha, so uNkotha bekangaphili, and ucoach uKaizer Chiefs udlalise uDove kahle kakhulu because uyazi ukuthi uDove une speed, uNkotha une speed. uNkotha ukwazile ukumvimba ngempela ulokhu njana, uDove ukwazile ngempela ukumvimba uNkotha kamdlalisanga at all. What a good performance, what a great performance from uDove, what a performance man, njengoba ngisho ukuthi uDove man of the match for mina yabo. So mawubheka ucoach decision making yakuthi adrop uvuma afaka uPeterson beka ngekho shake lapha nepalini. Yes, uconsiderile lapho uconsider, but ke ama decision making yakhe usavile ama reflexes a few okwazile uyisave team, njengoba bawubona ukuthi Orlando Pirates be attack. Orlando Pirates beyifuna ngempela ku unique game, but second half Kaizer Chiefs dominated. I think second half ibelonga ku Kaizer Chiefs yabo, idominateile, idlale kahle kakhulu second half Kaizer Chiefs. Mdusha bala change game, I think not to pre edile leso speed going forward. Orlando Pirates they were exposed couple of times, bekumele ngabe uModi ubabulele vele ulishayile igoli, unfortunately akakwazanga ukulishaya, but mawubheka yonke igame, yeah, what a great performance from Kaizer Chiefs second half. Orlando Pirates had their chance ukuthi ba win igame first half, but abayisebenzisanga. Kaizer Chiefs ibuye seyi well balanced second half, make sure ukuthi yawina ngempela. So the game was open for the taking for Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs, but second half it belonga ku Kaizer Chiefs ngempela bafethu yabo, badlalile bazimisela, ba make sure ukuthi ngempela bayawathola ama results yabo. uDuba ubathembisile ama fans Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazoyiwina iNedbank Cup, nak babuya nayo bayiwinile ngempela. Cabanga ukuthi ba excited ngempela bafana be Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazile kuyiwina le cup. And after 10 years bangawini cup, abenzi kahle this season, but ukuwina kwabo iNedbank Cup I think kuzobanika i-confidence going forward, nanokuthi kwamanye game so bazokwazi ukuprepare kahle for next season after le big win namhlanje. What a big win, what a statement win against Orlando Pirates, one of the best teams in the country after Mamelodi Sundowns. Said for Orlando Pirates to lose this game, everyone expected Orlando Pirates to win, but what a great courage from Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bafike egamini babonise ngempela ukuthi bayafuna ukuwina, bakwazile ukuwina umdlalo. What a great performance. Second half they deserve it man, they deserve. Second half Kaizer Chiefs went all out. Good changes from the coach. Bengicabanga ukuthi makakhipha uSirino bengithi hayi uyabheda ucoach, but ke ufaka abanye abantu abane speed abakwazile ucontrol igame. Mdusha balala uyichange igame mfethu, uthola isikhathi esincane, but makungena wena izinto magic bafethu yabona. Talent, you can't take it away from umfana yabo. Is one of the best that we have in the country. Unawo amaphutha ngoba usasemncane, but he will learn. Good performance from Kaizer Chiefs. Goalkeeper wakhona yes, first half bekumele aphume lapha nilishaya ngenqindi la bhola, but akaphumanga. Bad decision making, but uziredimile second half, wakwazi ukushaya ama couple of save, wa make sure ukuthi i-team yakwazi kuyiwina iNedbank Cup after isikhathi singaka bangawini. But ke bafethu njengoba ngishilo Dove, what a performance. Probably for me man of the match bafethu, man of the match. Dove umvalile uNkotha azange aphile, ipace yakhe azange siyibone at all. What a good performance from i-defense Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu.